Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take resveratrol supplements step by step. Start with a low dose, 100 mg, taken with a meal containing healthy fats to improve absorption. Take it at a consistent time daily, ideally morning with breakfast, and keep a simple log of dose and effects. Monitor for mild GI upset or headaches and pause if severe, then consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice and adjustments. Aim for conservative dosing and clear monitoring when using resveratrol supplements. Common starting doses are 100 mg to 250 mg daily, taken with food for absorption. Some regimens use higher amounts under supervision. Increase dose slowly after 2 weeks if well tolerated, and never mix multiple resveratrol products without checking total milligrams. If you take blood thinners or have chronic conditions, speak with your clinician to avoid interactions or unexpected effects. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: I love reading while I research supplements, and the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for carrying studies and guides on the go, perfect for reading anywhere between doses. Check the description for the link and other deals, pick one up if interested, and now let's get back to the video. Timing and combination matter for optimal results and safety. Take resveratrol with meals that include dietary fats, such as avocado or olive oil, to enhance uptake. If you use prescription drugs, discuss spacing to reduce interaction risk and avoid taking multiple supplements with overlapping effects without guidance. Maintain consistent timing each day to observe effects reliably, and report any new symptoms to your clinician for timely adjustments and peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.